Hi, Aunt Claire's class. This is another step-by-step video. We're going to draw a picture of a bird. I want you to go ahead and choose or get 3 colors. You can choose the first color. I'm going to use red. The next color I want you to get is orange. The last color I want you to get is brown. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to get the crayon that you got to choose. So whatever crayon you're using instead of red, go ahead and get that out first. We are going to start right here, right in the middle of our page, and draw a medium-sized oval. A medium-sized oval. Pause the video anytime you need more time, okay? Then we're going to go right here to the front on the side a little bit, and we're going to draw a circle. Pause the video if you need more time. Now in the middle of our oval, we're going to make a diamond, but watch how I do the diamond because it's not going to be the same size on every side, okay? So the first 2 sides are going to be short and wide, okay? Pause the video if you need more time. Then the next 2 lines are going to be long and narrow. Okay? Pause the video if you need more time. That's our diamond. I'm going to fix this line right here a little bit. Okay, and this one too. Then what we're going to do is right here we're going to draw kind of a trapezoid, okay? Now trapezoids are flat on all sides, and this one's going to have a little bit of a curve right here, but that's okay. This is what we're going to use for the top line, okay? Or I guess it's the side line. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a line out and kind of at a slant, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of space and go out again. Those are our 2 slanted sides. Remember that 2 sides are parallel and 2 sides are not. So this line is supposed to be parallel with the bottom line, and these 2 are slanted. Then go start right here and draw a line across. Okay. Then what I want you to do is color in the diamond. Color in your diamond. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Pause the video if you need more time, okay? And we're going to do the same thing with our trapezoid. Okay. And then for the oval, we are going to shade lightly. Shade lightly. If you're not done with your trapezoid or your oval, pause the video and catch up, okay? Take your time and do your best. And then I want you to shade that circle too. Let's see if I have a smaller piece I can shade with. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. The next thing we are going to do is use our orange crayon. And we are going to make a triangle at the front of the face. This is the head of the bird, so this is going to be the face. And we're putting the beak on there. Color it in. Take your time, pause the video if you need to. And then we're going to work on the legs. So I want one line like this and one line just a little bit shorter to show that it's behind, okay? Then we're going to draw little feet. Just like that. Just 3 little lines sticking out of the bottom. If they're not going all the same direction like mine are, that's okay too. Pause the video if you need more time, okay? Next thing we're going to do is get our brown crayon. And we are going to draw an eye right here. Just a little circle and color it in. We are also going to use the brown crayon to draw some lines on the tail. Well, you know what? Let me get a black crayon. Okay, I found my black crayon. So I'm going to use the black crayon to draw some lines. Just 3 little lines all kind of going in towards the middle. And that'll show that we have feathers on the tail. Okay? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw some lines like that for the wing as well on the diamond. Okay. Now we're going to get our brown crayon and we are going to draw a tree right here and right here going up. So what I want you to do is I want you to go up high enough to where the branch will be touching the bird's feet, okay? So about right here. And I want you to draw a line across. And it doesn't have to be perfect. See, mine's not perfect. We're going to go up and to the side a little bit, like that. And then we're going to draw the line up, 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 up. And then it's going to go out a little bit again, like it's starting another branch. And all I want you to do right there is shade it in. Remember to pause the video if you need more time to draw those lines. Okay, now when you're done, now that I'm done, if you need to, go ahead and pause your video. If you're caught up with me, let's go ahead and draw some lines, some squiggly lines to show that the bark is not even. It gives it some texture. Okay. Okay, now that we have our bird and our tree, I want you to get the color that you used to draw and color your bird. I used red for my bird, so I am using my red crayon. If you use blue for your bird, get a blue crayon. If you use purple for your bird, get a purple crayon. If you use green for your bird, get a green crayon. Okay? Then we're going to go to the middle of our page at the top where we have this extra space. If you didn't leave very much extra space, that's okay. You can turn your paper over and do it on the other side. You can write some here and then over here. If you run out of space, that's fine. Just do what you can, okay? So we're going to go to the top right here. Draw a line down. Then we're going to come back up to the middle and make a bump for our B. Bird starts with a B. The next letter in bird is an I. I. So remember that's a short line. And then we go up to the top and we put a dot. But they don't touch. If yours touch, that's okay. You're still learning. Do your best, okay? The next letter is R. R. Remember, if you don't have enough time to follow along, you can always pause, okay? So what we did for our R was to go down, back up, and make a hook. Down, back up, and make a hook. And then our last letter is a D. So what I want you to do is give yourself some space, okay? Like this. Draw your line. Go back up to the middle just like we did with the B, but our bump is going to go the other way. So down, back up to the middle, and make your bump. Okay? B-I-R-D spells bird. Good job, you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.